Hello, artist. I miss you. But I am happy that it's warming up. Uh, Today, I want to talk about our next project, which is to create a nature journal. So, artists and scientists create journals where they observe things very closely. You are going to create a journal simply by putting a bunch of pieces of paper together. It's regular old copy paper. And I went ahead and I stapled the edge to create sort of a binding. You don't have to do that. You can just keep them together or you can connect them any way you want. Tape, string, whatever. Um, the point is, though, to have a place that you are going to record your observations. Now, you're not going to use words, although you can use words, but mostly I want you to observe what something looks like. I want you to ask these questions. What's the texture? What's the shape? What's the color? Now, you may not have colored pencils or crayons, or you may. If you do, the color is an important detail that you'll want to include. Now, I'm a collector of things. I love to collect objects. For example, I love this stick. It used to be one and it looked like a snake. Now it's two really cool shapes. I've got this rock that I love. I love the smoothness and the color and the shape, everything about it, really. I've got this little piece of pottery that I found at the ocean, and I tell myself all sorts of stories about this. It seems to me this was on a very, very old ship, and either it was a very fancy ship or it was a pirate ship, and they ate off of these plates. Um, in this case, now you can collect things that make your imagination work, like that are interesting to you in some way, either visually or you feel there's a story behind them. In this case, you're going to tell the story of spring, of this place right now, this time. It's warm, go out into your backyard and look around. Now, in this case, I'm not going to do but you can do the front and make it fancy and make it your journal. I've been out and I picked a few things that I thought were okay to pick. I picked some grass and I taped the grass right down here. And then do you see, I drew right next to it what I closely observed. And that was a quick example, so I didn't observe too closely, but I did a quick drawing next to it. Now, you don't have to actually pick the item that you are observing. And if it's something like a flower, I recommend you don't. It spent the whole winter gathering the energy. And you don't want to just pick it necessarily. It may be okay. You ask a parent in that case. You can. So what you're going to do, I also got this little leaf. Look at that cool shape. And you can't see it on the video, but it's got these little fuzzy hairs all along the stem. That's the kind of close observation I want you to do. So you will fill your journal with your observations of things that you see right there in your backyard, or if your family goes on a walk, that's okay too. Also, I want you to, I don't know what I was going to say there. I have no idea. But anyway, the thought is gone. So please, if you can do this week, look closely, draw just what you see around you. This is a way for you to pay close attention to where you are right now. I do want it to be more outside, please. Don't, you can have another journal that is your inside surroundings, but this I would like you to observe nature. All right. I cannot wait to see them. You'll take photographs of them and you'll post them in Seesaw. I can't wait to see them. Miss you. Bye.